everybody, it's me, Tired Mama, and today we have something serious to talk about. I'm going to start off by saying this has zero to do with Palfish. Zero, nada, zilch. Nothing at all to do with Palfish. But it does have to do with success, and I hope that you all stick around to listen to what I have to say. See, I even do TPR when I'm talking to adults. What is success? Well, realistically, success is different to every one of us. Some of us consider ourselves good parents, and that's successful. Some of us, it's a nice house. Some of us, it's being able to travel the world. Success is very hard to define because it's a personal investment, a personal value. But things that create success are very clear. Hard work, ambition, drive. People who are successful often say, I know I can do this. I just have to figure out the way. I have to take this task and make it my own, and I will succeed at it. I will succeed. I know I can do this. There's also phrases that unsuccessful people use all the time. Okay? This is where I want you to listen. I'm looking down because I have a list on my phone. These are 8 things that unsuccessful people say. Number 1, I'll start tomorrow. Why wait until tomorrow? Start today. Start right now. Start after dinner, before dinner, after breakfast, while in the middle of cooking breakfast. Whatever it is that you need to do in order to be successful, when you make up your mind, start it right then. Don't wait. Because waiting gets it put on the back burner and you'll forget it. Number 2, people who are successful understand what it takes to be successful. Those who aren't successful say, oh, well, they got lucky. That's not true. People who are successful because they put in the work and the time and the effort. People who aren't successful blame people who are successful, saying, oh, they got lucky. That's not the truth at all. 73% of the people who are millionaires inherited less than $10,000. They earned every dime that they have, saved every dime that they saved, and it wasn't from luck, it was from hard work. Number 3, it's not my fault I'm not a success. You need to understand that the very first part of being successful is saying that it is my fault that I haven't been successful up to this point. I haven't worked hard enough. I haven't put in the time. I haven't put in the effort. I haven't figured out how to make this my own. I haven't figured out my twist on it. That's no one's fault but your own. Number 4, it's not fair. Y'all, we've all heard this. Most of us have said this to our kids. Life is not fair. At all. Life isn't fair. Life was not designed to be fair. Life was designed for us to go out, work hard, earn our keep, and take care of ourselves. Then we are to take care of those around us. That's what a successful person does. Okay? You suck. Successful people often are too busy to stop and defend themselves when silly things are going on. However, unsuccessful people spend a lot of time, energy, and effort putting down those who have been successful. Okay? Number 6, I don't have time. I will tell you this right now and listen to me. You are the only one that has time to invest in yourself to make yourself successful. Okay? You have to make yourself successful. The hard work of your mom and dad, grandparents, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, those people's success is not going to help you. You have to make your own success. I'm too tired. Well, baby, so am I. But I'm determined that my name will equal success. I'm determined to retire with money in the bank, a home paid for, my college tuition for my kids paid for, my own student loan debt paid for. I am determined I will be successful because I want to be able to help people who aren't successful. People who are on bad times, hard times, because those things do happen. But blaming it on other people doesn't help you. And number 8. Well, that's easy for you to say. You have a job. I will tell you this, 50% of the jobs that I have right now are jobs that I went out there and I hustled and I busted my butt to prove I was good at before they even issued me a first check. I created my jobs. And it doesn't matter if you are working at Dairy Queen, you are teaching online, you're a content creator. It's not easy for anyone to say. You have to go put in the work. You're not going to be successful without it. These people, doctors and lawyers who make tons of money every hour, they put in the work in med school. They put in the work. They put in the work taking care of I'm so amped up about this, I can't even speak right. They put in the work working with patients. You know, people who are successful in their businesses, it's because they busted their butts to be successful. All the time I see people who are like, oh, I just need one video to go viral. Just one. So they make 10 videos and then get really upset when their YouTube video doesn't go viral. Then they get upset with us if, those of us who have 20, 30, 40,000 views on a video, oh, well, that's easy for you to say. Just, do more videos. I did 170, I think I have the 775 videos. I've had 2 videos get over 25,000 views. Do I stop? No. I keep going. All of this is to say this, and I want everyone, if you're struggling with this, to listen to me right here. Right here and right here in the heart. You have to define your success. You have to set goals for yourself. Then you have to map out your way to get there and do not stop for anything. You are the one who's going to make that success. For some people, success is simply reaching the age of retirement. For me, I got to have something different. There's nothing wrong with that. Everyone's success is different, and remember that. I consider it a success that I even have 3,000 subscribers. To me, success, thank you. If I reach 500 people on a video, I am ecstatic. But you have to define your success. And being upset with other people who are already successful at what you want to be doing only hurts you. You waste your time, you waste your energy, and you waste your resources putting them down and then trying to make them look bad like they're doing something wrong. Baby, they got out there and busted their humps. They deserve the success they got. Guys, I have a new course launching this coming week. It is part of my success plan. I hope to have a huge series of online courses and classes for people who are just trying to better themselves. The course that I have coming out is a DIY credit repair course. I have repaired my own credit. I have worked very diligently to get my credit from the low 300s way up there toward the top. I'll show all of my receipts in my opening video when I talk about the course. I do have a Facebook group called Not Your Mama's Credit Repair. And we talk and we chit chat and I answer questions. I am a certified credit repair coach. I also have a couple of degrees. I have a bachelor's in business administration. I have a master's in economics and money management, financial planning. I'm not crazy on these things, okay, guys? I do know what I'm talking about. So I hope that maybe some of you will join our course, join our Facebook group. I'll put all of the links down below. And watch out for these classes that are coming. They could really help you. that could really, really help you if getting your credit in order is maybe the next step for you to be successful. All right, guys, I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Give me a big like on the video. Leave me a comment. What would you like to see in this success series? Until next time, guys, bye.